Right, so I finally got it out of the bike. So here's the stock one, and here's the Wilbers one. And as you can see, this one is basically just a rebuild version of this one. It's got a blue spring. It's got the same preload adjuster, but the main difference is in these two parts here. So this one, BMW, there's basically nothing you can do with it. On the Wilbers one, I have a fast and slow compression adjuster in addition. So the one thing that's different, you can see that these two reservoirs are moving in the different directions. So this one's moving to the left, and this one's moving to the right. So Wilbers has supplied this bracket for moving the brake reservoir, because that's going to be in the way. Now, other than that, there's really not a whole lot of difference here. I measured the springs. They appear to be the same thickness. Maybe this one's 0.1 millimeter thicker. There are some numbers stamped on this, but it doesn't make sense to me. So it says actually 5959, which I believe is the diameter of the bottom or in the opening on the bottom and the top of the spring. Then there's a number that says 80 and one that says 150. And 150 is apparently the length of the spring when it's not tensioned at all. So it's just sitting on a bench. And the 80 number is apparently what's supposed to give you the tension of the spring, or the rate of the spring. Now, I haven't got any documentation on this. I have absolutely no clue what 80 means. I have absolutely no clue what this is. There's no numbers on it. I mean, I've checked the BMW parts catalog. There's no specifications on it. So basically, I don't know how much stiffer this spring is than this. The one thing I do notice is, no, actually that's just because of the way it's sitting. So it looked like it was compressed a little bit different. Now this one appears to have fewer windings. Well, I don't know what you're gonna call it. Anyway, okay, so now I'm gonna install this in the bike, and hopefully this is gonna give me a lot more joy this coming season. And yeah, it's gonna be interesting to see if it was worth the 1,000 euro rebuild plus the 160 euros I paid for a used stock one on the internet. So yeah, that's it.